In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert a PDF as a Pdfa with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever needed a file that's locked down for long-term preservation or compliance, PDF/A is the standard you are looking for. It creates a self-contained document by embedding fonts and turning off features that might not be supported in the future, which makes it ideal for archiving and submitting to institutions that require strict formats. We'll keep this simple and clear, using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Note that you do need the Pro version for this, since Reader doesn't create PDF/A files. Start by opening the PDF you want to convert. You can launch Acrobat Pro DC first and choose File. Then open or simply double-click your PDF to open it in Acrobat if it's already your default. It's a good idea to close any unnecessary windows so you can focus on this document, and consider keeping an original copy untouched, especially if you are preparing official records. Next, head to the File menu in the top left corner. This is where Acrobat groups all export and conversion options. From there, move to Save as Other. In the list that appears, choose Archivable PDF, PDF/A. Depending on your version, you may see it immediately or under a More Options section. But it will be labeled clearly as Archivable PDF, PDF/A. When you choose that option, the standard Save dialog appears. Pick the folder where you want the new file to live and give it a clear name. A helpful convention is adding Pdfa to the end of the file name so you can instantly tell it's your archival copy without overwriting the original. Now click Save. Acrobat handles the conversion automatically. Behind the scenes, it embeds fonts, strips out features that aren't allowed in PDF/A, and ensures the file is self-contained. In some setups, you may see a prompt to choose a PDF/A version, like PDF/A1B, PDF/A2B, or PDF/A3B. If your organization specifies one, select that. If not, the default choice is usually fine for general archival needs. If Acrobat shows a brief message about adjustments or potential incompatibilities, that's normal. It's letting you know it made the document compliant. Once saved, your new file is ready for long-term storage or submission. If you are curious, Acrobat often shows a banner indicating the document is in Pdfa viewing mode, which is a quick confirmation that the conversion worked as intended. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.